Hi, Chuck here. I've been sorting through my 2020s and found something really cool I want to show you. I know I already did a video about these, but there's a lot of sets and cool stuff I have down in here, and I want to show you what's up. Alright, in here I have the original Despicable Me 3 character cards. I know I already did a video about this, but they're so cool I want to take a look at them again. Okay? Alright, let's go with it. Number 1, Stuart. Character car. Sweet. Number 2, Kevin. He's like a little Volkswagen bus with goggles on. That's so cool. Number 3, I remember this was a hard one for me to find. Otto. He's a little pickup truck. He's doing good. All right. Number 4, Bob. Looks nice. Number 5, Carl. Oh, he's a coupe. That's pretty cool. And number 6, it's young Drew. I don't know. I think that's pretty cool. Hang on here. I got 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 of the Minions character cars. Hope you're lucky enough to find some too. Happy Hot Wheeling, everybody.